Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today we are going to solve another very recent SQL coding problem. It's on Leetcode 3642, find books with polarized opinions. So this is another quite interesting SQL coding problem. So we'll understand this problem in today's session, and we are also going to implement our MySQL solution to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription is really valuable and important for the channel. It helps and supports this channel. So let's start. So books table is given to us. It has 5 columns in it, right? Book ID is int, title is varchar, author varchar, genre and is varchar and pages, right? Book ID is a unique ID for this table. Each row contains information about book, including its genre, page count. The second table that is given to us is the reading sessions, and this one again has a 5 columns. Session ID is int, book ID is int, reader name is varchar, pages read is int, and session rating is int. Session ID is the unique ID for this table. Each row represent a reading session where someone read a portion of a book. Session rating is on a scale of 1 to 5. Okay. Write a solution to find books that have polarized opinions, books that receive both very high ratings and very low ratings from different readers, right? That is what is called as, you can say, polarized opinions. A book has a polarized opinion if it has at least one rating greater than equal to 4 and at least one rating less than equal to 2, right? Only consider books that have at least 5 reading sessions. Calculate the rating spread, that is highest rating minus lowest rating. Calculate polarization score as number of extreme ratings, which is ratings less than equal to 2 or it's greater than equal to 4 divided by total sessions. So that is called as polarization score that we will have to calculate, and only include books where polarization score is greater than or equal to zero point 0.6, at least 60% extreme ratings. Okay. Return the result table ordered by polarization score in descending order, then by title in descending order. Okay, so they have given one example. We'll look into the example. So let's take this same example. So 5 books are given to us. So this is the same example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the book names. And the book reading sessions is also given to us. So these are the reading sessions, right? So this first one is a reading session for a book 1, right? So there are total 5 sessions. So we are only interested in books that has at least 5 sessions, right? So we can consider this book, yes, because it has a 5 sessions. Now you can see that the rating, right? So it has 1, 2. So you can see one rating is there here, one is there, two is there, 4 and 5 and 5. So these are the ratings there that are there, right? So let's talk about how the we can calculate different things here. So ratings, we also saw this. So does it have rating which is greater than equal to 4? Yes, we have seen that 4, 5, 4, right? 4, 5, 4 are there. You can see that 4, 5, 4 are there, right? This is 4, 4, 5 and 4, 5 again, right? So it's greater than equal to 4. So we have 3 such sessions. And does it have rating which is less than equal to 2? Less than equal to 2, yes, it has 1 and 2, right? You can see here 1 and 2. It means that it has less than equal to 2 ratings. So the rating spread is highest rating, which is 5 here, minus lowest rating, which is 1. So rating spread is equal to 4. So we can calculate like that. And extreme ratings, does it have extreme ratings? Actually, the all 5 sessions that we have, the ratings is all extreme. Why? Because everything comes into this condition. So it is either less than equal to 2 or greater than equal to 4, right? So it means that you can say that all the sessions here, these ratings are extreme, right? Because they are greater than equal to 2, sorry, because they are less than equal to 2 and greater than equal to 4, correct? So it means that they are all extreme ratings. So total 5 ratings are extreme ratings. Polarization is basically number of such extreme ratings divided by total rating, right? So let's see the definition. So polarization score is number of extreme ratings. So in this case 5, and divided by total sessions is also 5. So 5 divided by 5, it means that 1, right? 1. So it qualifies because we are only interested if it is greater than equal to 0.6. So it means that we are going to consider this book basically, right? So once you consider the book 1, this is how your record will look like, the output, right? So you have the book 1, The Great Gatsby. F. Scott is the author, genre is fiction, pages 180, and rating spread is 4. We calculated it, 5 minus 1, it is 4. And polarization also we calculated here, right? 5 divided by 5. So it is 1. So this is the one book that we found. Let's take a look at other books. So obviously these books will not come basically, correct, because number 4 and number 5 we need at least 5 readings, so this one definitely will not come. How about number 2? So number 2 will not come. Why? Because it does not have any less than equal to 2 rating, right? Everything is 4 or 5, so this will not come basically. We need less than equal to 2 also, correct? So this will not come. The 3 will come actually, like 3 will come, right? Why? How many total sessions are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So total sessions are 6, so that is fine. Are there readings less than equal to 2? Yes. How many are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 are less than equal to 2, and how many are greater than equal to 4? 1 and 2, right? These are 1 and 2 greater than equal to 4. So we have satisfied all the conditions, right? And then we will calculate that polarization score. Here they are showing us that, right, for the booking ID 3. So here the rating spread will be again 5 minus 1, because highest rating is 5, right? Highest rating here is 5 and lowest rating is 1. So 5 minus 1 again will be 4. That is the rating, that is the rating spread. And extreme ratings are also, all 6 has extreme rating, right? All 6 has extreme rating. We have seen that 6 here, so that is fine. Now we have to calculate that polarization square is 6 divided by 6, right? Again 1. So again is greater than equal to 0.6, which means that it will qualify it. So we are going to output it. So now you completely here, right? The 1984 is the title of the book, and 1.0 is the polarization square, and rating spread is 4. So now you completely understood this problem. So we are going to use a common table expression of MySQL, so that we can have a more readable MySQL solution. So this is how you can write down this SQL basically. So here we will have a common table expression. We will call it as a book CTE, right? So with books CTE as, and then here we are going to select these columns from reading sessions R joined with books B using book ID. Book ID is a common column between these two tables. These things we are going to group it basis on the book ID, and having count of book ID greater than equal to 5, because we need at least 5 readings basically, correct? Okay, so 5 sessions basically, right? Okay, so after that here you will select book ID, title, author, genre and pages. Here this is important, so we will calculate max session rating in max R, min session rating in min R. And now this max session rating minus min session rating will give you the rating spread, right? This is straightforward, right? Max minus min. So for example, max here is 5, so 5 is max in this case and 1 is min, so the rating spread you can calculate is 4, right? So this is what exactly we are doing here, right? And after that we have to calculate that polarization square. For polarization score we will have to do the counting, right? So count case when session rating is greater than equal to 4, so that is extreme 1, or session rating should be less than equal to 2, again extreme 1, then we will count it as a 1 basically, correct? Else null, end, right? So it means that we will only consider those session ratings which satisfy this condition. The rating should be greater than equal to 4 or less than equal to 2, right? Then only we will count it. So for example, once you count it, these records, you will get all these conditions satisfied. So you will get total number of records 6 actually, that you will count, right? And then you have to count the actual total number of records also, right? So that you can calculate that. So that's what we are doing. So here you are counting the session rating, right? So total number of session rating records basically, correct? And we are actually group by the book ID, right? So you will get 6 here basically, because we are grouping on the book ID. This is the book ID, correct? You will get 6. Okay, so here, right after that you have to use the round comma 2 as polarization score, because it can come in decimal, right? So that's it. So now I explained you all this common table expression query. We'll call it as a book CTE. Now we are going to call this CTE from our main SQL, right? So I'll show you our main SQL is here. So here you will call it from book city that we created here. Whatever you want to select, we will select it. Again, same columns that we have: book ID, title, author, genre, pages, rating spread, and polarization score. So these things we already created in the books CTE that we are just selecting here. Here we are putting a condition where max R should be greater than equal to 4 and min R should be less than equal to 2. Then only we will select those records, correct? And polarization score should be greater than equal to 0.6. If that is there, then only we will show those books, correct? Order by polarization score descending and title descending, because that's how they want it, right? If you take a look here, they are saying that return result table order by polarization score in descending order, then by title descending order. So this one should basically solve the problem, right? So if we run this query, then you will get output like this one basically. So it will only give you these two books because they satisfy these conditions. So we will run this SQL, make sure it compiles and gives us correct result. So as you can see here, we are getting correct result, right? So this is our output, which is 1 and 3, which is correct results, right? And you can see that we are getting correct polarization score and rating spread also. So we'll submit this score now, this solution now to the Leetcode. Make sure this SQL gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see, the SQL is successfully accepted by the Leetcode. I'm not very sure about these numbers, but this is how you can just write a clean way solution to solve this coding problem on Leetcode 3640 to find books with polarized opinions. So we have used a common table expression of MySQL so that we can have a clean code here. The use of common table expression is because you can use that multiple times, so it's kind of a reusable in MySQL queries. So that's why common table expressions are preferred when you have rather than writing a very long query. You can write a common table expression like this. We have gone through each and every statement here, and so make sure you know all these aggregate functions: max function, min function, because we have used that. You should know round function, count function, right? So this is basically, once you know these things, case when clauses, then you can write down this kind of query. So it's pretty straightforward query. So I wanted to show this query to you in today's session. So I hope this example and explanation helped you understand this problem in an easier and better way. And if it did, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really valuable and important for the channel. It helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos and content to help others in their interview preparation process, as well as helps others learn more Java programming, SQL programming, as well as problem solving, data structures and algorithms. Friends, it takes lots of times to come up with these examples, to create these images and to explain these images for you. So if you really want to appreciate our time and efforts on this, then please do like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification icon button right away, so you won't miss any important such videos from our channel. If you are a Java J2E consultant planning to take interviews, then the important playlist for you on this channel includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, important problems solved by using techniques such as binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. The important playlist about data structures includes stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap. There are lots of solved coding problems for you on this channel about strings and arrays, which are previously asked questions by big companies such as Amazon, Google, Meta, and other big companies. So go through them. They will give you good preparation for your interview rounds. Share these videos with all your friends so others will also come to know about channel and they will also watch and learn from these videos. Thanks for watching these videos and have a great day ahead.